Today we learn how to sketch this simple 2D drawing. Okay, let's start. Just click new and click 2D engineering drawing and click OK. And I choose A3 and click OK. Yes, now click cancel it. Okay, just I'll click this line and click center line. Sketch center line from this point to this point, and again sketch center line this point to this point, and right click, select OK. Now sketch a circle, on this point, and right click, select OK. Again sketch a circle on this point, just right click and select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it dimension. Yes, just click this, make it 80 millimeter, click enter. Again click this, make it 45 millimeter, click enter. Okay, just right click and select OK. Now go to the center line, just sketch center line this point to this, and just select OK. Again choose center line from this point to this point, and select OK. Now just click line and sketch line this point to this point to this, and this point to this, and right click OK. Again sketch line from this point to this, and this point to this, and this point to this, and right click and select OK. Yes, now go to annotation, click note, just write here A and just if you want to change this size, just we will go to here and click it 24, and just click here, just drag it and click OK. Yes. Now again go to note and click here, just write it A, and just drag it and change this size, just choose this 24 and just click OK. Now see, our one side is created. Just this is the section view. Just again go to this sketch and click sketch a center line from just this point to this, just this point to this, and right click, select OK. Now sketch a line from just this, it will be this, just this point to this, and right click, select OK. And again sketch line from this point to this point, and just this point to this point, and right click, select OK. Now again sketch line from this point to this point and right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, just make it just make it 124. Click enter. Yes, just right click and select OK. Now again click this line, just click this point to this point and right click, select OK. Now go to this linear pattern, linear sketch pattern, click and just click this direction x-axis. This is our x-axis direction, and just make it, will keep this 2 distance 2 millimeter and just click here 25, click enter. Click enter, just and scroll down, just choose entity to pattern, click here and click this our entity to pattern. It will be until this, so I think I can change this number of the instances, or just I will again choose this 3 millimeter distance, click enter and I will choose this 40, click enter. Now see, it will be 40 from this point to this. Okay, just I will click OK. Now see, okay. Just right click, sorry. Okay, now just drag it, sorry, no need drag, just click and again click this line, just sketch a line from this point to this, select OK. Again sketch line from this point to this point and right click, select OK and just click trim and just I will trim this outer side and click OK. Yes, now I will click this, I will go to this trim entity, this is our entity to mirror, just I will mirror this, all this and just click mirror about, this is our mirror about. Now see, it is sketch as mirror, just click OK. Now our this line is missing, so just I will go to sketch this line, I will connect this point to just this point and just select OK. Now see, this is created as a part and just again sketch line from this point to this point, click and again just this point to this point and just click OK. Now see, just no need this, just click, right click and click delete. Yes, just OK. Again I will this line, this point to this and just right click, select OK. Okay, and you can write this, and just go to this annotation, click note, just click here, and write section, just click section, add to A, yes, just see, you can change this size, just go to this size and just click 24, yes, and just click OK. Now see, and you can move it, just I move it here and just click, yes, okay. This sketch as a 2D drawing. Okay, if you want to write anything, you can write. Okay, just I will write here, so I will click this note and I will write this title, just I will write the title. This is now fully roller, just click. Okay, this is the roller, just I will choose this size, yeah. I'll change this size 24, yes, and just click OK. Yes, this is the simple 2D drawing. If you want to sketch anything, you can sketch this. Okay, if you want to write anything, just will click this note and write here. Okay, just go to this file, yeah, just go to this file and click this save as, and just choose your file location and just click on save as type and just click this PDF. Yes, it is converted as PDF, just save it. Okay, now as it is created as a PDF, yeah, now see, just click there here and just show. Okay, this make as a PDF. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to know new design and new projects, please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you for watching.